Hey guys, and welcome back to Smart Money Minds. Thanks for watching this super clickbaity title of a video. However, I am not lying to you. I am able to fly business class one way to Japan for $150, and this is a real event. Here's the whole truth, and even you can do it if you follow these step-by-step processes in this video. I was able to fly one way on Japan Airlines from Vancouver to Tokyo Narita on business class for that price. However, it does take 6 to 9 months of preparation in order to achieve this. The process was really not that difficult, it's not time consuming, it's quite simple, and I was able to fit that during my daily life. And so really, anybody can do this. So from my research on the Japan Airlines website, a business class ticket of one way is actually $4,505 Canadian. So I paid about 3% of that price, so not bad for a day's work. First of all, I want to introduce you to the world of credit card points. I know that most people use them, however, they always saying that it takes too long to collect any points to fly anywhere. But if you know how to hack these points can fly you first class anywhere in the world, or you can get into 5-star hotels, all for a fraction of the price for if you know what you're doing. So this is an example of how extreme that this can get. Before you attempt this at home, this is a disclaimer. Please make sure you have a solid credit score. Don't apply for credit cards you're not ready to receive or use. And always pay off your credit cards because interest can kill you. Firstly, we looked at this card, the MBNA Alaska Airlines World Elite MasterCard. It costs $99 in annual fee. And let's look at the benefits. So we have 30,000 bonus miles after you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months. That sounds pretty good to me. Oh wait, check this out. On Great Canadian Rebates, I get a $60 rebate if I get this credit card with them. So here in total, I have $99 spent minus $60. So I really only paying $39 yearly to get this credit card. Once you receive this fancy new credit card in your mail, all you have to do is spend $1,000 in the next 3 months. So that's really $333 per month. So there's really no need to increase your normal spending. So you just really have to shift some of your payments to this credit card for a couple of months. So what if you spend your $1,000 in the first month already? All you have to do is check your Alaska miles and wait until the points are deposited. So right now you're at 30,000 points plus another 1,000 points for your spendings. Once you have secured your Alaska miles, what you do next is you cancel your credit card. Your Alaska Airlines miles account and your credit card account are separate. So it won't cancel out all the hard work that you did and you'll keep your miles, even though if you cancel your credit card. Afterwards, all you have to do is wait 3 months to reapply for the same credit card as a new customer. You get the same welcome bonus, and all you have to do is repeat the exact same steps as we previously said. At this point, you'll be at 70,000 miles from your welcome bonus plus 2,000 miles from your spendings. Holy smokes, we're already at the last step. Check out the Alaska Airlines website and click Fly with Miles. Oh hey, 60,000 points and $48 USD gets you a one-way business ticket to Narita Airport. At this point, it's about $145 Canadian spent. Book, fly, enjoy. This is only one of the many examples on how to fly on credit card points or miles. Hopefully I've given you a taste of what you can do by learning how to hack these points and work these points to your favor. In the comments below, let me know if you use credit card points frequently or do you not. Do you have another example of extreme savings for your travel? Tell me and share with us. I'd love to hear your stories, and if you want to learn more about credit cards and money and financials and stock trading, make sure you subscribe, you hit that like button, and then we'll see you next time.